everyone, it's Morgan Yates, and today I am here with Danielle Carolan.
What's up, guys? I'm happy to be here.
She is in town for the weekend in LA, staying with me. It was a very last minute little thing.
Very.
She's here for her birthday weekend, and it's the best time.
It's been so fun.
So today we're gonna be doing a little chit chat, get ready with me, answering some questions that we got from you guys, trying out some new makeup, and just getting ready for our day because it's Danielle's last day.
This stuff is so cute too that we're about to try out, so I'm excited.
Yeah, so she's been doing a cute vlog of this whole weekend. I haven't been vlogging, so if you want to see what we've been up to, I'm gonna have her video linked below, and make sure you go subscribe to her.
Aw,
thanks. Yeah. And wish her happy birthday in the comments.
Oh gosh, it's gonna be all the comments.
So for today's video, I'm partnering with Artistry Studio, which is a makeup line that just came out in October. So today we're gonna be testing out some of their products. It's gonna be like a first impressions thing because we have not used these before, as well as I'm gonna be doing a look inspired by Pamela Roland at New York Fashion Week. So we have a lot going on in today's video. Basically just sit back, grab a snack. We're gonna try some makeup, tell you what we think, and
chit chat a little bit.
Chit chat. Got some questions we're gonna answer here.
We're in the hot seat.
So we're gonna kick things off with a question and then get into our makeup. Also, we did do foundation. Our skin's not this great. We just did a little. We did a little base. So the first question is, what have you guys been doing this weekend? So while we answer that question, we're going to be beginning with. Okay, so this is the Artistry Studio 6-in-1 on the go face and eye palette. It's the Midtown medium one. All their packaging is super cute. It looks like this. This line is inspired by New York City.
Oh, love it.
Danielle's favorite city. I mean, I'm an LA gal, but
I was very excited to do that.
So as you can see, the colors are numbered. 1 through 3 are neutral eyeshadows that sort of create a look, and then we have a setting powder, a blush, and a highlighter. And then on the back, it tells you where to put those. So you can either use one of these and create your whole look, or you can mix and match. For this, I'm gonna be using for my look mostly.
It's so easy to travel. So I'm using the one in Liberty Light. I actually just saw the Statue of Liberty a couple weeks ago, so I'm a little emo right now, but I really am. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna do these as my shadow, maybe that in the crease, and then I'm gonna have some fun with the face powders.
And then the third one is called Downtown Deep. This one I think is actually my favorite one, just because that like middle like shimmery charcoal gray in the top is nice. Ooh, both of those. I might later, so it's the morning right now. We're about to go to Melrose Trading Post in LA and have just like a cute little brunch day and whatever. But tonight we're going to Catch LA, which is my favorite restaurant, and I think I might.
Ooh,
we might get saucy. Yeah,
a little smoky eye.
So while we recap our weekend, I'm going to be putting on my blush, which is just this little peachy shade, number 5. And again, I'm going after that New York Fashion Week look. So
yes, Danielle, same thing, doing some blush.
So what have we done this weekend, Danielle?
Gosh, what haven't we done this weekend?
What haven't we done? Yesterday was the single weirdest day of my life.
Yesterday was just a crazy day. Everyone's so nice to me when I come here. Like, everyone's just been so welcoming and like.
It's because we're all friends.
Well, no, I know, but like, I guess just because this was a last minute trip for me, it's like just been like this crazy fun.
Oh, I don't know. Everyone changed a lot of like.
Everyone changed their plans. Like, Kenzie had so much to do this weekend. She like changed her plans yesterday. Like, I don't know, and everyone's just like, it's your birthday today, and I'm like, it was like 3 days ago, and everyone's just like being so nice. Like, they had like a candle come out for me. What else did we do?
Yesterday we went to Malibu.
Oh,
and then we could spend the whole video telling the story, but long story short, basically there's this huge house, like the hugest house I've ever seen in my life, that belongs to a certain very famous person. And so I discovered where this is, and it's like not far. I was like, we should like just drive by and like see it. And as we were almost there, we're at a stoplight, Janine checks her Instagram, happens to watch one person's Instagram story who was at this said person's mansion at this exact moment. So we were like, it's like as we're pulling up, so she FaceTimes him and he comes down and lets us up, and then we go up, and then there were very famous people there that I can't say because I signed an NDA, but it was the craziest thing that ever happened to me, and I might cry. I'm not going to. It was just like, it was so much. We were shaking. Like, we just thought we were doing a drive-by. We looked terrible.
We were literally all in jeans and like.
Well, we've been sitting in the sun in Malibu on the pier with our hair, like, our hair was so knotted up.
Sandy
my skin was greasy. Like, my hair was greasy. Like, we're wearing like very average outfits, which is like cool, but it was.
No, it was just not.
Like, we walked in and we were like, name a time you have felt more out of place in your entire life.
Couldn't that would be it. Everyone was like in bikinis.
And then we had a wonderful dinner at our favorite Italian place at the Grove. It's a little tradition of ours.
So much. And we had a round table. We love round tables. Like, we all got to talk. I loved that.
There were 8 of us, and they like put us at this round marble table outside. It was just beautiful. Okay, I think I've blushed properly. So I'm following this New York Fashion Week little look. So Danielle's just doing her own thing.
I'm just having fun. Like, I'm gonna take this highlighter and just pop it along the cheekbones.
Yeah, I'm going to use.
Oh, there's a mirror.
There's a separate highlight. Oh,
there's a highlighter.
There's a separate highlighter if you want to use it. So this is the Illuminating Light Up Compact.
Oh shoot. Oh my god.
Hey guys.
I'm gonna use this number 6. That highlight though.
I'm like nervous for today. Like, what other crazy things are gonna happen?
Yeah, what celebrity are we gonna run into now? We're talking so much about it because you guys don't understand. Like, this house was literally a hotel. Like,
it was a $200 million home. That was like 30,000 square feet.
It was just purely insane.
All right, we're done talking about that.
I'm gonna use the number 4 as like a little bit of a bronzer because I'm just not very tan. So I'm just gonna use it as like a contouring powder, kind of. This palette's
Wait, which
so
one
nice
is that?
for
Because I
travel.
kind of want to do like a...
Number 4, Downtown Deep. We're gonna use a little bit of a contour. At least I am.
What?
Don't know what Morgan's up to over there.
I don't know what I'm up to. I'm trying to decide. I'm gonna pull another question.
I'm into contouring my nose right now. Just like popping
How
there.
do you do that? Because I've been like...
Well, I don't contour. I just...
A little swoop. Okay.
Yeah.
Someone says, what is your favorite memory together?
God, we were saying like we've done the coolest things together. Like all the coolest things I've done are with Morgan Yates. I'd say one of my favorite memories together. While we're doing that, I'm gonna do a little pinky, a little number 1 eyeshadow as my base.
I'm taking shade number 1 and putting this all over my eye, from the lash line up to the brow. Okay, so entire eye. There are also these 2-in-1 eye sticks where one side is this little like sponge tip. The product is actually like up in the lid, you can't see, so when you stick it back in there, it like gets more on the sponge. Those are kind of their shimmery side, and then the other side is this like little crayon color. They're also 2-in-1 lipsticks. A lot of options. I'm taking shade number 1 and putting this all over.
I'm gonna take shade number 2 and just pop it in my crease a little bit. I'm actually not gonna do the dark just because this is a daytime.
Yeah, this is like a nude peach.
It's a nude peach day.
A nude peach day. My favorite memory together is probably Coachella, just because that's one of my favorite things I've ever done in my whole life.
Yeah, that was like the best weekend ever.
We went to Spain and Portugal together in May. That was really fun. Coachella tops that.
What do we Coachella top Spain? How sad is that?
It really does. All right, next I'm taking shade number 5, which was the blush tone. And I am putting that over the eyelid, starting from the upper lash line and blending it to just below the crease. Okay, so this is being like a just like lid color basically. If you guys want to buy these products, I'm gonna have a link below. They're all sold directly through Amway.
I'm gonna try and think of a different memory other than Coachella just cause.
Even our LA trip like last December was really fun. I loved when I came to Athens and we had that really chill weekend. I visited Danielle at college.
I really had fun when this is like so random, but we were like in the car and Sorry Not Sorry came on by Demi Lovato, and we like, anytime that comes on and us two are together, it's just, I mean, that's my favorite song. I also, this is like so random, but I remember one time I was at the Grove. You were like not in LA yet. Me and Brooke were in LA, and she was in the Apple store, and I hear someone say, DJ Khaled. Well, I heard DJ Khaled say DJ Khaled.
Yeah.
And I go outside, and DJ Khaled's like, all of a sudden, Demi Lovato pops out, and it's like, baby, I'm sorry. And then I FaceTime Morgan, and we were like at the concert together. I just remember being like, hey, Morgan. And like Demi Lovato just literally sang that one song, and then like left.
Next, I'm mixing shades 2 and 3 together, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. And the next question we got asked was, if we switched places for a day, what would we do?
Oh my gosh, I know what I would do. I would just keep talking. I would, like, would I get your brain? Because
oh my gosh,
I love her vocabulary. Guys, she literally says the weirdest, coolest things ever.
Only Danielle and Kinsey say that, and it's really not anything.
Yes, I'm telling you guys, like, the thing, like, they're really educated words. Like, I would just, like, if I was in your body, I would, like, say words that you say.
Okay, that's a fair
That's just the first thing I thought of.
Yeah, I was thinking about this. I think actually, which isn't something I really have a desire. It's not something I wish I would have done differently in college, but Danielle has such a good like sorority experience, and that was never something I didn't rush, and I never really had a desire.
I'd love
to be in
a sorority for a day.
I would like live a day in your sorority life just because like I have nothing to base that experience off of, you know what I mean? Right, next I'm taking one of these 2-in-1 eye sticks in Brooklyn Brown.
That's what I'm gonna name my first daughter, Brooklyn. Yep.
Alright, so this is what that looks like, and I'm just going to be putting this kind of like as an eyeliner.
Alright, I'm gonna try out this Artistry Studio an NYC edition lash boosting 3-in-1 mascara.
Danielle's demonstrating with this because I don't need mascara, or I guess I can do that on my bottom lashes. It says there's an adjustable wand that adds volume, lifts, and separates lashes.
It's so cool, like you can like switch
Use the elongated position to add volume, twist to the shorter position to lift lashes, and use the mohawk side to separate. Twist that right now. See what happens.
Whoa.
Wait, what?
Look, it looks like a caterpillar.
It's literally growing.
Guys, do you see this?
Do you see this growing?
I am like so amazed right now.
Is that visible on camera?
I can see it. I can see it.
Okay. All right, well, you go to town on that, Danielle.
Great. I'm about to just have myself a day.
Have you been to Melrose Trading Post before?
Yeah, once. Oh, wow. My lashes look so long, but it's like not too like thick. So it looks like, it literally looks like I'm wearing lash extensions right now. I like how it's not like clumping and like looks super black. It's like a nice, natural, I don't know if you can tell.
Oh yeah.
I really like that. And then I'll do the next setting after.
I like forgot what it's like to put on mascara.
I know, it is kind of satisfying. Now I'm gonna shrink it and lift my lashes. Lift, baby, lift.
Taking a little bit more of the 3 color, which is the darker one, in my crease just to have a little extra
I look so much more
definition.
awake. Yay, that was a fun time. And this is so pretty.
Wait, I'm gonna put it on the bottom. Is that
Have
unsanitary from one gal to another? I feel fine about it.
I feel fine about it.
Okay, great. Then it's fine. Another question we got asked was, what is your next adventure together?
We actually have 2.
Well, we have 1.5. We have a tentative one and we have a for sure one.
Yeah, for sure one is next month. She and Kenzie are coming to Athens. Again, it's kind of crazy.
If you don't know, that's where Danielle goes to school.
We're gonna have a fun little weekend. We're gonna go to Atlanta for the day at one point. I want to have them on my podcast with Brooke and
Oh my gosh, yeah.
yeah.
I'm excited
Oh,
about
that looks good.
I know, my bottom lashes, I never really like put mascara on necessarily.
Now time for our
Lips.
lippies.
Finish up this New York Fashion Week look, I'm using the tinted lip balm in City Coral. So these are really moisturizing, and the center core of this has shea butter, avocado, and coconut oil, if you can see that right there. That would be good because a lot of like liquid lipsticks, which are matte, which I love how they look, like dry your lips out and then they start like flaking off like the lipstick does. It like gathers up, or at least mine do. With this, it apparently is gonna be very moisturizing. Oh, it does. It doesn't even, this doesn't feel like lipstick.
Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna use the 2-in-1 lipstick in Chelsea Coral. I'm loving all these names because like big New York fan.
Danielle like lives for New York.
I like literally get excited when I hear the name. So on one side it has a lip crown, and then the other side it has the lip powder, which is very similar to like that eyeshadow stick she was showing you guys. So I'm gonna kind of use this as like a lip liner. I love a good coral.
And then our tentative next adventure together came up this morning. I think a bunch of our friends here might take a little trip to New York in November, at the end of November, when hopefully, well, it'll be decorated for Christmas.
It will,
right?
because it'll be after Thanksgiving.
I think another reason I'm in the mood to go to New York, living in LA now for 9 months and it like not really being cold, it like makes me want to go to New York, because in my mind that's such like a wintry place.
Oh my god, it'll get you in like
I want to be there when it's cold. Like I don't want to be there when it's hot. Like I'm here when it's hot, you know?
I'm gonna use the other side now and just add some shimmer.
Does that feel like there's anything on your, or this one doesn't feel like there's anything on my lips?
Add some shimmer. It's a little ombre effect. I dig it.
Oh cute. Oh, Danielle.
Well, I'm done, Morgan.
I think I'm done.
I'm happy with this lip color.
Here's what we've come up with. Typically, I always wear bronzer and then blush, but I kind of like put the blush in like a bronzer placement in a way, if you can tell.
It's very like happy glowy.
So it's like glowy instead of like super like contrasty, but I like it. This is the end of our looks. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little quick get ready with me on this Sunday morning. I love Sunday mornings. We have a candle.
I'm the worst.
We have like a little candle in the background, and we've just been, we had some tea this morning. Everything's just like calm and happy. Aww. So yeah, again, if you guys want to check out the Artistry Studio line, I'm gonna have it linked below. I would say, all right, if you had to choose a favorite product, what would it be?
The lipstick actually really, and I really like the blush. I was gonna say, these are really great for travel. However, I'm loving how this feels on my lips, and I feel like inspired to be like a bold lip woman. That is it for this video. I hope all of you guys enjoyed. Again, make sure you go check out Danielle's vlog from this weekend, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye! Can't you say I made a mistake? Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay, 'cause I got it.